Features of Python. The main goal behind the development of the Python programming language was to enhance code simplicity and readability. Python is a high-level interpreted, interactive, and object-oriented language, packed with features that make it powerful, versatile, and highly popular among developers. Python offers several key features that contribute to its popularity and versatility. Here I have listed some. The first one is free and open source. Python is freely available programming language that can be downloaded from its official website. You can get it by clicking the link Download Python on its official website. As an open source language, Python source code is publicly accessible. This means users can not only download and use it, also modify and share it. This openness encourages global collaboration and contributions to the Python community. Second one is easy to learn and code. Python is one of the most beginner friendly programming languages out there. Unlike other languages like C, Java, or JavaScript, Python has a super and clean, simple syntax, almost like writing plain English. That means you can start writing real programs without getting stuck in complex rules. It's perfect for anyone just stepping in the world of coding. Let us consider the following example. Print in the curly braces, hello world, welcome to Python tutorial. This single line of code will give you the output, hello world, welcome to the Python tutorial. We can observe that simple line of code prints a message on the screen. The third one is easy to read. As mentioned earlier, Python is highly expressive and features a clean, straightforward syntax. One of its standout quality is the use of indentation to define code blocks, which makes the code visually neat and easy. Compared to languages like C++ or Java, Python code reads almost like plain English, making it not just easier to write but also much easier to read and understand. Let's look at a quick example to see how Python's readability sets it apart. In C++, to print a single line output, we write this code, while in Python we write this code, and output for both the codes is same, that is hello Yana. It's clear that printing a simple message like hello Yana requires much more code in C++ compared to Python. Languages like C++ or Java typically involve more lines of boilerplate code. Even for a basic task like defining a class or handling exception, Python on the other hand keeps things minimal and clean. Its concise syntax allows you to write less code while achieving the same functionality, making programs easier to read, write, and maintain. Fourth one is object-oriented language. Python fully supports the object-oriented programming paradigm, which focuses on designing softwares around objects. These objects are created from classes, blueprints that define both data attributes and action, that is methods. This helps developers write clean, reusable, and modular code. To understand this better, imagine a car as an object. Its properties, attributes, might include color, brand, model, and price. Its behaviors, that are methods, could be accelerating, braking, or changing gears. Python's OOP features include concepts like abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism, making it a powerful tool for building robust applications. Fifth one is cross-platform compatibility. Write once, run anywhere. Python is a portable cross-platform language. This means you can write a Python program on one operating system like Windows and it will run smoothly on others like Mac OS, Linux, or Unix without any changes to the code. This makes Python an excellent choice for building software that needs to work across different environments. Sixth one, interpreted language. Python is an interpreted language, which means it executes code line by line rather than compiling it all at once. When you run a Python script, the interpreter converts your code into an intermediate form called bytecode, which is then executed by Python Virtual Machine, that is PVM. This step-by-step execution makes debugging easier. For example, if there is an error on line 5, Python will stop right there and show the error, unlike compiled languages that analyze the whole code first. Seventh one, dynamically typed language. In Python, you don't need to declare variable types manually. It figures them out on its own at runtime. This makes coding faster and more flexible, especially for beginners. Here is a quick example. In the code snippet here, we define three different variables without explicitly specifying their data types. Python automatically recognized and assigned the correct types based on the values given. When we print their values along with their types, we can clearly see that Python has accurately inferred each type at runtime. This dynamic typing feature simplifies coding and makes Python especially beginner friendly. Eighth one, high level language. Python is a high level programming language, which means it abstracts away most of the complex hardware level details. As a result, developers can focus more on problem solving and building logic rather than worrying about things like memory management or system architecture. This makes Python faster to learn and easier to use, especially for beginners. Ninth one, integrated language. Python is known for its excellent integration capabilities. It can seamlessly connect with other programming languages like C, C++, Java, and more. This allows developers to reuse existing libraries and components, enhancing productivity and efficiency. Its ability to integrate with various technologies also make Python a powerful tool for building complex multi-language applications. 10th one, GUI programming support. Python provides robust support for creating graphical user interfaces using libraries like tkinter, pyqt, Kiwi, and wxPython. These tools allow developers to design interactive and user-friendly desktop applications with ease. Whether you are building a simple calculator or a complex data entry form, Python has the tools to bring you GUI ideas to life. 11th one, multipurpose programming. Python is a true jack of all trades. Whether you are building a dynamic website, analyzing data, automating repetitive tasks, diving into machine learning, or doing scientific research, Python has you covered. Its clean syntax and vast ecosystem of libraries make it a go to language for all kinds of development. Python even finds its place in web development on both front and back end. With tools like PyScript and PyEnv, developers can embed Python directly into HTML for front end functionality, while frameworks like Django and Flask offer powerful tools for building robust back end systems. 12th one, strong community support. Over the years, Python has grown into one of the most popular programming languages in the world. And with popularity comes community. Python boasts a massive global community of developers, educators, and enthusiasts. Whether you are a beginner stuck on a bug or an expert exploring deep learning, you will find thousands of tutorial, active forums, Stack Overflow discussions, and official documents to guide you. 13th one, extensive libraries and framework. Python's greatest strength lies in the ready-made solutions. Thanks to an extensive collection of libraries and frameworks, developers can speed up their development process and reduce boilerplate code. 14th one, multiple programming paradigms support. Python is flexible in how you write your code, supporting multiple paradigms. Procedural programming, write functions to manipulate data step by step. Object oriented programming, organize code using classes and objects, supporting inheritance, encapsulation, and more. Functional programming, use features like map, filter, reduce, and lambda functions to treat computation as pure functions. This flexibility allows developers to choose the right approach based on the task. 15th one, automatic memory management. No need to worry about allocating or deallocating memory manually. Python's built-in memory manager takes care of it all. Here is how it works. Object creation. Memory is allocated automatically when new objects are created. Reference counting. Python tracks how many references each object has. Garbage collection. When an object is no longer in use, Python frees the memory automatically. This intelligent system keeps applications efficient without burdening the developer. 16th, multithreading and multiprocessing. Python supports concurrency through multithreading and multiprocessing. Multithreading, ideal for input-output bound tasks like user interface and file operations. Multiprocessing, perfect for CPU-intensive tasks like image processing and complex computations. These features help you make the most of modern multi-core processors. Conclusion. In this video, we explored the key features that make Python a simple yet incredible powerful programming language. For dynamic typing and cross-platform compatibility to memory management, rich libraries, and multi-threading, Python proves itself to be versatile, scalable, and developer friendly. Whether you are a newbie or an expert, Python has something for everyone. Next up is advantages of Python.